This video doesn't promote or encourage any illegal activities. All the contents provided by this video is made for educational purpose only. So please don't misuse this trick.
Hello hacker, welcome once again. In this video we will create a payload for wide area network. And you may know that this is our part 3. I have already uploaded part 2 on my Telegram channel. I will provide you both part 1 and part 2 in description box. Without wasting our time, let's start our video. Let's run some basic command first in Termix. Follow all these commands that I am typing. Everything will be same that I have already shown in part 1. If you have not seen our part 1, then pause this one and see part 1. Don't forget to change your host. You need nrope key for getting access of data over wider network. If you don't know how to get nrope auth token, then follow full steps. I have provided all details in this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, like this video, subscribe my channel for such an amazing video. Don't misuse this trick, because it is only for education purpose. I have already posted part 2 on my Telegram channel where I have shown you how it works. Here you need root access of Termix for running nrope. If you don't know what is the use of nrope, then I shall explain you. Nrope is a server that forward internet port data to our local network port. Everything is same, but in last, you need to add localhost address. Don't worry, I have shown everything, so don't miss any part.
Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe my channel, share it to your friends.